Lesson plan, teacher's trajectory of delivering knowledge. Good planning allows for more effective teaching and learning. The advantages of planning a lesson are having well-organized lessons with a confident teacher. In the unforeseen circumstances that a replacement teacher needs to be called to cover a class, everything is documented and planned so the objectives are clear and the substitute teacher knows how to teach the lesson. Timing. A planned lesson should include the time allowed for the lesson and the time allowed for each section, part or activity. The materials that are needed to execute the class should be clearly listed. The objectives of the lesson should be outlined showing what the aims of the lesson are and how they are going to be achieved. The theory of how the lesson is going to be carried out needs to be explained and how the goals are going to be met need to be detailed giving each teaching strategy. The lesson plan should state what a student will learn in each skill area and how they will improve. A summary of the lesson needs to be included with an evaluation of what the students should have learned and how it will benefit them. The teacher needs to take into account a risk assessment of the lesson, possible problems that could be encountered during the lesson and solutions of how to overcome each problem. Anticipating. The teacher needs to outline how they are going to motivate their students and how the lesson is going to be interesting and interactive for them. This should be detailed in the delivery section of the plan. Here the teacher gives an overall picture of what is going to be taught, how, why and in what order. This needs to incorporate scenarios, as realistic as possible, motivating the students. Activities. The activities incorporated in the lesson need to be detailed and timed. The plan should show different teaching methods to achieve the aims and objectives of the class plan. It should be varied, incorporating the 4 skills and varied to hold students' attention. The lesson plan needs to have room for flexibility in case the teacher encounters a problem area. Maybe the teacher would need to spend more time in one area that some students don't understand and recuperate the time in another area. The delivery of the lesson plan needs to be outlined in such a way that a third person would be able to take over the lesson if necessary. The lesson plan needs to outline activities to engage the students before they start studying the material for the main part of the lesson. Then they need to show their understanding through an activate activity. Analysis. As part of the lesson plan, the teacher should allow a section to complete after the lesson has been finalized to analyze the success of the lesson. What worked during the lesson and what needs improving. This should include material studied, teacher methods, a grouping of students, material covered and the students' understanding. Start your TEFL course today. Any explanations should be detailed about what the teacher noticed in the development of their students. Any problems encountered or revision necessary in a particular area. Positive notes should be made too. Speak with an ITTT advisor today to put together your personal plan for teaching English abroad. Send us an email or call us toll-free at 1-800-490-0531 to speak with an ITTT advisor today.